Hi friends, today I am here to render some OET speaking tips. Before proceed, let me discuss about speaking subtest. It is in 3 parts. First one is the warm-up conversation. Actually, it is not assessed, but as we know, the first impression is the best impression. So just try to perform well in this section even though it is not assessed. Actually, they are performing this section to explain about the test and also aim to make the candidates just get relaxed. Then next comes to the first role play. There will be 2 role plays. So they will provide the role play card to the candidate. And the candidate has 2 to 3 minutes for preparation. So if you need any clarification, the candidate can clear it before starting role play. You can ask the interlocutor regarding any doubt, but most of them not from the medical field, so they may not have much idea about the medical field. But if you have anything to clarify, you are in doubt, you can ask them. Then the second role play, and you have the 5 minutes for the role play, and you should be the one to start the conversation. You should take initiative for the conversation. Then the second role play follow the same protocol, so just follow the same sequence. So let's see what all information we have to check once we get the role play card. So first one is we have to check what is our role. So here it is mentioned nurse. Then what is your interlocutor, who is the one doing the exam with you. Here it is the son of the patient. So we have to check whether it is patient, parent, son, daughter, or is it a carer. Then next comes the setting or where is the conversation taking place. Here it's mentioned community health center. Then what's the current situation? So a man has brought his 74-year-old father who is Alzheimer's patient for 4 years. He wants you to take care of him. So we have to see. So this is the situation, and how urgent is the situation? It is not an emergency situation. See, isn't it? So what are the background information that they are given about the patient and situation? So this is the one, is a patient of Alzheimer's for 4 years, and the son is looking for someone to look after him because he is away from job in other state. Then what are the things we are required to do? So it's written the task, explain the rules and regulations of community health center, then assure him to find someone who can do this for him as early as possible, and inquire about the routines of his father, because if we don't know his routines, we cannot provide the same care for him, and so he may not be satisfied with our care. So we can ask if there is any particular matter which needs to give extra attention about. Maybe he has some different sleeping pattern, or he has some habits, so we can help with that one. So we should ask everything about that one. Then what is the main purpose of the conversation? So here it is that explain, assure, and find out, inquire. Then we can reassure, we can show the empathy, because the son is going somewhere, leaving his father here. He may be worried. So we can reassure him, we are here to support. So we should be always empathetic in our words, so he may feel much comfortable. The another fact is, what other elements of the situation do you know about? Here it is not mentioned. Sometimes in some role plays it's mentioned she is so anxious, worried, the patient appears nervous, or the relative looks worried, the mother is worried about her child, like that. So we have to look at the situation. So according to that, we can deal with the patient, the relative. Then what other information do you need to give the patient? You have to see what they are asking in the task. And please don't try to add more information from outside. In some role plays, it's mentioned the patient admitted at 12 midnight. So we can get the greeting time from that information. So you have to look at the time if it's mentioned. According to that, you can wish the interlocutor. Otherwise, you can wish according to the exam time. The most important information you have to provide is that don't follow any templates. Just speak naturally so you can get a higher score in the speaking section. So don't be worried. Just practice every day so you can get the required score. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you very much. Bye.